Hey French lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do a first aid kit buying these essentials. Now everything that I got was from Dollar Tree, but this is not a Dollar Tree haul simply because the items are from Dollar Tree, but this is like sort of a first aid kit, the essentials that you need to have. So I have some Alka Seltzer. This is good for like heartburn, upset stomachs, aid in digestion with headache and body aches. This comes in a 4-pack and I believe it was $1. Here I have the Assured rolled gauze for hard to bandage areas, soft and flexible, ideal for ensuring a dressing not made with natural rubber, latex, absorbs and protectant. With this I got 3 and I'll be showing you inside the container. Next I got this Assured fabric bandage, soft and flexible, cushions and protects, highly absorbent, non-stick pad not made with natural rubber latex, and this comes in a 30-pack. Now I got one of these, so next time I go to Dollar Tree I will be getting like maybe 3 or 4 more just to have everything on hand. I'm a type of person, I like to make sure that I have everything I need at home so I don't have to always go outside and be like, oh, I need to get this, oh, I need to get that. No, you as a female, you should be able to have everything in your home that you know is necessary. So yes, next I got this Natural Plex Vitamin A and D ointment, moisturizer, and helps soothe dry and flaky skin cream. Now this is good. I only got one, but when I go back I'm definitely gonna get like 3 more. And this one right here is the Natural Plex Triple Antibiotic Original Ointment. This is very, very good. Let me pull this down and read the top for you guys. This helps prevent infection, minor cuts, scrapes, and burns, minimizes the appearance of scars. This is also good. I got 2 of these. Let's see what's next. This right here, guard. I got this small gauze pad, cushion, covers and protects, soft nylon woven for oochless removal, wicks and absorbs with extra celluloid layers. This comes in a 10-pack. I got 2 of these. Moving right along, I got the guard extra large plastic bandage, 4-sided seal, keeps dirt and germs out, all-purpose long-lasting protection, twice more absorbent, and I got this in a 10-pack. I got 5 boxes of these, this one right here. And so let me push this to the side and let me move right along. So this one right here is this one. So I have this, I have the guard pack, which is this. I have the AD ointment in here. And these are some hauls, relieves coughs and soothes sore throats, heal nasal passages. This is the cherry flavor. And in here I have the Halls relieves coughs and soothes sore throat, cools nasal, honey lemon flavor. This is a 14 drop. The other one is also a 14 drop. Just with the cold seasons coming along, I just want to have these things on hand because we're still in a pandemic, and it was recently revealed by Donald Trump himself of his recordings that, you know, the coronavirus was in the air droplets. So you have to be very precautious and you have to wear your mask, guys. It's really going to be a really, really cold season, a highly dangerous season. So I'm just making sure that I have everything on hand, stocked up, so I don't have to panic when we might go in another stay-at-home order if things get really bad, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just optimistic. Everything did open, the restaurants and stuff like that, and places to shop. And they're getting like they opened like museums and stuff like that. So everything is getting back to normal slowly, but you just never know. And recently I've been watching the news, and they were telling me that kids, were going back to school, and it's just crazy. Sorry about that, guys. The light went off, but we'll continue the video. And so as you can see, this is all the things that I have. This is the gauze. And you see how small these anti triple bacteria original ointment. They're small, so I probably might go back and get another one. And I got the container for $1. You just cover it up. And then what I'm going to do is, with like a red permanent marker, I'm going to write first aid. And yeah. But I want to show you guys the other container that I had, because I think that's also important to show you. Like this is the container that I had first. Like, you see how small it is? This is good too. But, like, come on. Sorry, guys. That's my bra. And like, you see how they have like individual containers? It was good for a while, but I was just like, I need to get like a bigger pack and make sure that I have all the essentials that I need. So I will be transferring the rest the rest of these items into this. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know even though it was short, it is essential to have your own first aid kit at home. Please put in the comments what else I need to put in my first aid kit so it can be the official first aid kit. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment down below, like and subscribe. Until next time, bye, French lovers. Mwah.